Dude, there's a legit blizzard outside. You look so ready for snow. Are you ready?
Nope. I'm ready.
Check this out. That is like 4 feet of snow. We don't care if there's a blizzard outside. We're ready for some snowy adventure. So we're gonna find a place to sled. Whoa, look at those icicles. Dude, this is blizzard snow magic everywhere with danger.
Sorry I'm late. I beat up Thanos and took his jacket.
I thought that jacket looked familiar. You guys, we haven't even left the sidewalk yet. This is where we're staying. I think this is too steep to be our sledding hill. He's so cute.
Like a little,
He's like a little baby.
dude, I'm the littlest baby. Everyone watching is like, oh, Justin's like a cute little baby.
With a beard.
With the
A
beard.
baby with a
I'm a
beard.
baby.
Oh my gosh. Look how high up Zoe is.
A baby's pulling a baby. A baby's pulling a baby.
You've never seen a baby pull a baby before.
Not today.
You climbed Mount Everest in a blizzard. Justin's taking a selfie with a stop sign.
Dude.
That was an avalanche. Oh my gosh.
Hold on tight. Oh, dude, that was sick. You crashed, bro. That was sick. Was it good?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
Whoa, dude. Oh, oh, they paved their own path. Oh my goodness. Snowplow. Uh-oh.
It's gonna get crazy.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh, they keep going. Oh, they're going. They're going. Oh, you guys should go do that again.
Yeah.
Yeah, jump off. Do it again. Up, up, quick before Mom passes on you. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Is she crying?
Snowball fight with a bear.
Uh-oh. Oh, they're crazy. Oh, they're crazy. They're crazy.
That was crazy. Dang. Milo's gone rogue. Sledding without a sled. Push you?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I don't think it's working. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And he wanted his gloves off so he could just grab. We are back from our snowy adventure.
Carrot in the snow.
You found a carrot in the snow.
Yes, I did.
There's either a bunny around here or someone was building a snowman.
Oh, is there a no? There's
Do
a
you
dead
wanna
snowman. There's a dead snowman in there.
Maybe if I find a scarf.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh, Justin, your plaid on plaid is really next level.
My pants got wet from the snow.
Did you pee your pants?
No, but I am right now.
So we are in McCall, Idaho.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. That snow is like to here on me.
A lot of people, when they see that kind of snow, they're like, "Oh, I could never live there." We feel magical in
We're
life.
like, oh my gosh, how do we live here? You're gonna show me where you sleep?
Look,
oh my
there's
gosh.
a Nerf dart outside.
There is. We knew this place was for us because there's a Nerf dart right there. Boop, boop, boop.
I
Oh,
sleep in here.
this is so nice. It's just like where you sleep at home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and your mom's here.
Yeah. I guess I'm going to the bathroom.
Oh, this is a very nice bathroom.
And then where I sleep. This
Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys have made yourselves at home too.
This. Oh,
This is where you sleep?
Mine. So see those suppy stuff are mine.
Oh my gosh, you're a spider monkey. You're gonna climb on this one? Okay, let's check you out. Dude, hi! That's a cool bed. Oh, jeez, that's scary. Oh, you can raise the roof. Raise the roof. Doing some schoolwork up in here.
No, this is my laundry.
I saw something.
You're gonna show me something? Oh, over the laundry, down the stairs to grandmother's house we go.
Everywhere.
There's bad guys everywhere.
Yeah.
You better start beating them up. Oh, first you gotta power up with some milk. I love it. It's a tower. Messed up, bro. Messed up, Broseph. Messed up, Broseph Gordon-Levitt. Thumbs up if you get the reference.
You wanna go?
Hold on, back up. That's amazing. I want to, like a full. Whoa. You almost fell. Okay, go. Let's see that.
You wanna go?
What are you doing? What, dude? You don't have shoes on.
I'm walking on water.
What? Okay, you are actually.
Okay, dinner is served. Spaghetti 5 different ways. And now there's a magic show. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because we are going to do more fun adventures while we're here. And actually, we've named 2021 our year of...
Adventure. Took me a second.
How many things have we named 2021?
The year of the kitten.